Hi, thank you for viewing our 2018 Ford Ranger PX Mark II XLT we have here. This one's got I-Man bull bar with LED spotties, winch compatible, and as you can see over the front, it's in excellent condition with really nice stone chips across the nose. Projector headlights, and you've got Bridgestone jeweler all-terrains all round. Chrome mirror covers, and you do get the I-Man canopy as well. You've got premium cloth trim, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, balance of the 5-year unlimited K warranty, and this one does have snorkel, electric brake unit, side steps, dual lift up side canopy, and as you can see through the back, does have the tub liner, and you've got a power socket just over the far there. And this one here is in excellent condition. You do get the interior light as well. Coming down through the side, it's in really good condition, this one. Sure to not want to miss out on this vehicle. You've got the electric brake unit, full forward service history. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist as well. So it has got the tech pack. And also by bringing it up here, you've got the Apple CarPlay and reverse camera. We look forward to speaking to you soon.